Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in information to like a Discord channel. So I'm just going to select like edit channel here, or like any like voice channels actually. So here I'm just going to select edit channel, and if you scroll down, you can, I don't think you, I'm not sure if you can do it on voice channels, but on the edit channel, on the like text channels, you're able to like edit the channel topic here. So for instance, you can like write only send important messages here, press save changes, and here you can also scroll down to and here you can also edit channel on the voice channel and change the region override. So it's currently automatic, but for instance it works better on the like Sydney or Singapore region. You're just going to select it and make sure you press save changes, but it will only save the region override to, I think, just the channel you chose. So for instance, you move to another channel and it's still like bugging, you can change the region override, so I guess the signal will be better. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!